A very good afternoon, dear friends, dear students, dear learners, and dear followers. Me, Mohammad Yasin Baksh, again came back before you on Dialect English Lectures channel to upload a new video. We will talk about the thing or about an important question of the play The Merchant of Venice. And the question is that what was the condition William Shakespeare needed and why he just kept the scene of romance and love in the end of the play. It was needed of the scene or demand, or it was not a requirement of that. प्रिय छात्रों, प्रिय साथियों, प्रिय दोस्तों, प्रिय मित्रों, मैं मोहम्मद यासीन बख्श पुनः समक्ष आपके प्रस्तुत हुआ हूँ एक नए वीडियो, नए विषय को लेकर। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम और आप बात करेंगे विलियम शेक्सपियर के द्वारा रचित एक ऐसे सीन के बारे में जो उन्होंने अपने प्ले द मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस में कहीं ना कहीं रचित किया है, कहीं ना कहीं उसको रखा है और उसको जो जगह दी है। और विस्तार से इस पर ही बात होगी कि क्या वास्तव में विलियम शेक्सपियर ने जिस प्रकार से मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस के अंत में एक लविंग सीन क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की, एक रोमांटिक सीन क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की, क्या वो उस सीन की कहीं उस प्ले में और एंड के सीन में क्या कहीं ज़रूरत थी, या विलियम शेक्सपियर ने यूं ही उस सीन को बढ़ा दिया। विस्तार से बात करेंगे इस पर, लेकिन सभी से आई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू दैट इफ़ यू डिडेंट सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब इट and press bell icon as well as and share it more and more to your friend circle and others, so that you may keep update yourself for next further upcoming videos of subjective knowledge. In today's video we will discuss about the thing in both languages, in English and Hindi, and the first we will discuss in English and after that in Hindi. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं विलियम शेक्सपियर के द्वारा रचित नाटक द मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस के उस अंतिम सीन के बारे में जो उन्होंने समाप्त होने से पहले उस एक लविंग सीन और एक रोमांटिक सीन रखा। क्या इसकी ज़रूरत थी या नहीं, तो शुरू करते हैं। एज वी नो दैट इन होल ड्रामा और इन फुल प्ले देयर वॉज मोर रोमांटिक सीन्स और लविंग सीन्स, एज the love story of Portia and Bassanio, as the love story of Jessica and Lorenzo, as the love story of Gratiano and Nerissa, and at last this Gratiano and Nerissa married after married Portia and Bassanio. And at last when William Shakespeare tried to keep the scene or put the scene of Nerissa and Jessica and Lorenzo in the last, I think it was the requirement of the scene or of the time, because each and everyone was intensed or somewhere in difficult position or hardest circumstances. There were doubts in each and everyone's mind about the decision, what would be the decision of the Duke in case when Shylock demanded justice according to Bond. Antonio was intensed, Shylock was also intensed, what would go in his favor or against. Portia, Bassanio, Gratiano were intensed. They were taking some seriousness or about the things they were thinking. How would be Antonio's saved from clutches of Shylock? And at last there was one the main and other important thing is that Portia and Nerissa were in more tensed. How could they reach to Belmont before reaching Bassanio, Gratiano, and Antonio there. Now, to remove all these sequenced problems or suffering or the tensions, William Shakespeare put this loving scene or a romantic scene in the play to make the minds fresh of audience and as well as readers. We think that it is a completely dramatically proper and needed. It doesn't seem inserted forcefully or unwantedly in the drama. And the other thing we notice here that it was the requirement of the play to end it at the very fresh mood or at the happy mood or in a very gaily way. Somewhere this scene, or though not the principal scene of the play, at last even or provides relief from tensions, suspicions, and all the mental conflict and restlessness. And each and everyone who was thinking or feeling somewhere uneasiness to remove the tension or suspicions. Now we see that it reduces at last the grim seriousness of the court scene, and it removed the brings dramatic relief to the audience and readers. It brings somewhere a musical touch and poetic beauty increases at the end of the play or scene. Through these romantic elements as well as scene, we find Shakespeare wise humanity, gaiety, and spontaneously poetic expressions of his writing and talent.